Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Saxena. I'm a final year mechanical undergraduate from BIET Jhansi. This year I've appeared for GATE through production and industrial engineering discipline, and in the very first attempt I've secured an All India rank 26. So here I am to share my preparation experience with you all. I still remember that I started my preparation from 20th of April 2020, and this was the time when lockdown actually happened. The very first subject that I started with was engineering mathematics, and I really feel happy to tell you all that I have secured full marks in engineering mathematics and general aptitude. So all the credit goes to Shinek Jain sir. His free lectures available on YouTube has helped me a lot. Making proper neat and clean notes, and that too with the help of colorful sketches, has helped me a lot to create a sort of affection towards my notes. So whenever I revisited them, I was able to revise them properly. Whenever I completed a chapter, I used to practice a lot of questions, and that too from the free content available on Telegram. It may be of any coaching academy or the previous year questions. So this plays a crucial role. And apart from this, I used to mark the important questions so that I could revise them afterwards. So that is also an important thing. And one of the most important thing is that after the completion of a subject, I used to give subject wise test, and that really helped me to identify the weak topics, and I used to refer textbook for those topics. So it is one of the most important thing. So by the end of November I was able to complete most of the syllabus, but still few newly added topics and the topics of other subjects which had less weightage in GATE were left. So I decided to complete them afterwards. But eventually I came to know that from 18th to 20th of January my semester exams will be conducted, and that too in the offline mode. So my GATE preparation was disturbed for around 20 days as I had to prepare for semester exams. And the worst part was that I decided to give more and more FLTs, that is full length test, in January itself. So I was not able to give as many tests as I decided. So the best part of my preparation was that I was able to find 2 to 3 hours daily, and that too during the semesters. So during those 2 to 3 hours I used to revise important formulas and important topics that I thought of revising during that time when gate would be nearer. So I was able to give just 4 to 6 FLTs, but still I handled the pressure, and I didn't lose my confidence level. Instead of that, I raised my gusto and strived hard to get a good rank in GATE. So finally, I got AIR 26, and I'm quite satisfied with my performance. So thank you. This was all about my preparation.